you can see behind me, our new automated assembly line is revolutionizing how we build these solar panels.
10 and 1.
Check the furnace temperature now.
All clear on the west side, moving up.
Temperature in Sector 4 is fluctuating.
Rerouting coolant flow now. Check the purity levels.
See how rapidly it seals the frame edges. The pressure is calibrated precisely for the aluminum.
That explains the sparks and the noise.
Voltage readings are stabilizing right within the expected parameters. Confirmed. The output looks good.
Right there, watch the stack height. Bring the next one in, move it quickly. And that's how solar panels are made, or erased, from start to finish.